Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by connecting your sources and validating schema so the dashboard shows reliable metrics. Start the connection wizard, enter credentials, and map fields. This prevents broken tiles later. Once done, test a small query to verify types and date ranges align. Make sure to assign role-based access now so data governance is enforced from the outset. These steps let you iterate quickly and avoid rework when you build your first visualizations. You now craft visuals that answer core questions and expose insights at a glance. Start by selecting chart types that match your metric intent, then lay out components in logical groups. Once designs are placed, wire up filters and cross-filtering so viewers can drill down without extra clicks. Make sure to configure refresh cadence and caching to balance freshness and performance. As you refine, validate numbers against source queries to ensure accuracy before sharing with stakeholders. You finish by validating outputs and publishing for your audience so the dashboard drives decisions. First, reconcile aggregated totals and spot check rows. Adjust date-time conversions if needed. Then set sharing permissions, schedule snapshots or email reports, and enable exports for analysts. If something breaks, clear local and server caches, rerun the problematic query, and inspect API limits and logs to find rate or auth issues. Finally, gather feedback and iterate. Small updates improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.